Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas now trading at a level of $4.1. Okay, a swing has formed at this particular level and chances are high if the price sustain above this level, a probability of touching 4.32 we can see, and once started moving off this level we can see a level of 4.37. Suppose if the price started going above that particular level, chance of touching 4.56 we can there, and if that sustain, a further upside towards 4.9 will be there. Okay, looking at this particular chart, chances are high that if it started falling below $4, we can see it can go towards 3.9 to a level of 3.6 and then to a level of 3. At these levels we can see a bounce back can come. Okay, so you have to understand that if the price comes close to this level we can see a bounce back, but if started falling below this level we can see this particular level, and from this particular level and then it will move below $3, then it will touch in this particular zone. Okay, so this gap is already filled, which I have clearly explaining you from 1 year, even more. See, 23rd, from this particular time I was telling you that if the price started hitting above $4, this gap will be filled. So when the price was above 4.35, this gap is filled and a sharp form sharply. So this was the very good time where the profit can be made, okay, with a minimum risk. Okay, now if you look, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, if you look at the dollar index, you will see dollar index now trading at a level of $104. A swing is formed at this level. Okay, a swing is formed at this level. So if the price started falling below this level, we can see it can touch a level of 103.7, and once started falling below this level, chance of touching 103.2 is there. 103.2 is already being a weak support, so chances are high the price will go further down and it will touch a level of $102.6, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 101.9. okay, suppose if the price started falling below that particular level, chance of touching 100.9 we can see, and from there a further fall we can see towards $100.2. okay, and if the price started going below this level, a further fall. Okay, but suppose if the price sustain above this level, it can move above level of 104.4, and from there it will move above 104.6. okay, these levels are already being a weak resistance, the price will go further upside, and from there it will go towards $105.2. okay, if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 105.6 we can see, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of $106.6. okay, and if that sustain, a further upside will be there. So when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we can see the natural gas price comes down. If the dollar index started going down, we will see the natural gas price goes up. Okay, but what happens sometimes, they both moves in same direction. Okay, so in that case, or in that overall also, you have to start your trade with SL. okay, and once you in profit, try to trail the SL, so your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. Okay, now coming back again on the natural gas price. See, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are high it can touch a level of $4.18, and if that sustain, we will see it will cross a level of 4.3, because that is already being weak resistance, so chances are high it will touch a level of 4.45, and from there a further upside we can see towards $4.59, and then from there we can see it will touch a level of 4.6121, and then it will touch a level of 4.9, and then a further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of $4, and from there it will touch a level of 3.9. okay, suppose if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of $3.83, and once started falling below that level, we can see a level of 3.74. this is the zone. So we can see the price once started going below that level, we can see a level of $3.62, and from there a further downfall we go towards 3.4. If the price started falling below a level of 3.4, we can see a level of 3.2, and from there a level of $3. okay, to a level of 3.2 to a level of $3. okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please